Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2012 Holden Cruze SRIV hatch, stock reference number 4090. This shape runs from the third month 2011 through to the first month 2017. It has a 1.9 UN, 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 1.9 UN, 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left-hand sill skirt. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left tail light. It's got a tidy rear park sensor type bumper bar. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right side skirt. Right front door has one small dent. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag and a right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls with seat warmer type, factory sat nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.